Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back. If you're new to my channel, my name is Jenny LeGrand. Thank you so much for clicking on my video today. So I thought that I would go ahead and do something that pretty much every beauty influencer and person on YouTube has done in the beauty community, and that is I followed a so-and-so's tutorial. So today I am going for the look that Joanna Vongphoumy, sorry Joanna if I pronounced that wrong. She is a gorgeous, gorgeous, beautiful woman, and she does beautiful videos on Instagram and YouTube. And so I am going to try and recreate this look that she did here. I didn't have the soft glam palette from Anastasia, so I did just mix a bunch of palettes that I already had at home. So the colors that I use and the colors she used are not exact, but I did try to duplicate it as much as possible. And I think that I did an okay job. She has a different eye shape than I do, and so sometimes it's hard to recreate things whenever your eye shape is a little bit different. But anyway, she created this gorgeous look, and so I really enjoyed trying to recreate it. So if you want to see how I got this look, then please keep watching. Hey guys, welcome back. So I am getting in the Tarte Toasted palette and using cashmere with a fluffy Morphe blending brush, and we are working that first transition shade into the crease. And then with the Dream Street palette, it is Potion. We're running that also into the crease just a little bit lower with a smaller fluffy brush. And this is just building up the transition colors so that we can have a nice dark shade. And then with Raw Sienna, we're doing the exact same thing. It's just building up that color so that whenever we have that halo cut crease, we'll have darker transition shades to work with. So continue to just build the color. And this is also a Morphe blending brush, and just with that Potion, we're going to go back and forth until I'm happy with the intensity of the color. And this is a lot of blending and a lot of work at first, but it is worth it. So then the next color that we're going to take is Leader from the Tartlette and Bloom palette. And with a really small, fluffy brush, I guess, eyeshadow brush, we're going to put that in the actual crease and the outer part of the crease. So this is where we're going to really take our time and swirl that color in right along the crease, because this is where it's going to be shaded once we have that halo cut crease, and you really want that to be nice and dark. So then with the Tarte Shape Tape, we are going to do what Joanna did and start on the bottom of the lash line and work our way up. And you'll see at the end of the video that my halo eye is a little bit bigger than hers, but as I was finishing my filming and everything, I went back and made it more of a V shape. So in the video, I may not have shown everything that I did for the final look, but I did go back and make it more of like a triangular V shape. So then with Famir and Primavera, I'm going to take a flat brush and try to pack that color on. It really didn't stay, but this is just a base for the glitter that we're going to put on, so that was not a problem. So we're just packing that on the lid. And then with Leader, again, from the Tartlette and Bloom palette, we are going to start blending that outer V area. And just keep blending both sides. All of this needs to be super blended so that it can look like Joanna's. And obviously she is extremely talented. And Joanna, if you watch this video, thank you so much for all of your amazing posts. They are so beautiful and you're so incredibly talented. And yeah, this was definitely nothing like yours, but it was a gorgeous inspiration. So then with Midnight Cowboy by Urban Decay, we are going to layer on this beautiful gold glitter. I know I used this in my last tutorial, but this is a pretty different look actually. The other one was kind of a natural look. This one is definitely more glam for me. And you're going to do this a couple of times, let it dry and layer it. And then with Total Temptations by Maybelline, we're going to put mascara on our lashes to help them blend in. And I believe that these are some Andrea lashes. I actually love them. They have like a really small lash band. And with NARS Alaska foundation, this is the tinted foundation.
I guess, tinted moisturizer, and I really like it, but it does turn oily after a while, so it's not long wearing, but it is really pretty on the skin. It's also not full coverage. So then with Shape Tape, we're going to go in and highlight the rest of the face and get in all of those areas under the eyes. This really helps just brighten your face. So then with some setting powder, some Air Spun by Coty, and a small setting brush, we're going to set the face with that. And with my trusty Hoola bronzing stick, I am going to bronze the face with that. This is a Sigma contouring brush, and I think I really like it. I don't know, let me know what you guys use in the comments, because I'm on the fence about if I need a fluffier brush or if this smaller one gets the contour in the right place. I'm still new to cream contouring actually, so I've decided that I like it so far. I think it's pretty. And contour the forehead and the hairline. And then this is a really cool brush. I don't know if it's used for this actually. I think it's for the cheeks contouring part of the face, but I used it as a Sigma contouring brush, and I'm chiseling out my nose with that and the Hoola bronzing stick. And this is me wishing that my little nose that's curved would go straight. That's what happens when you get hit in the nose with a basketball as a child. Okay, and then I'm taking a big foundation brush, again, just blending everything together, making sure that that contour is good. And then with Hoola bronzer, the powder, I'm gonna further deepen that contour and lock in the contour with the powder. And same thing, just really setting that powder. And then this Dallas color is really similar to the one that Joanna used from Anastasia. She used a lot of the Anastasia products, the Soft Glam palette, Anastasia, I think, highlighter and blush. And I didn't have any of the Anastasia actually, which I wish I did. It's so beautiful. But this is the closest colors that I had in comparison to what Joanna was using. So again, with those 2 shades from the Dream Street palette, we're going to do the under eyes. This is going to be nice and smoky. And that little brush is so great for that. If you guys don't have one of these small brushes like this, and then the flat brush that I use next, this is just such a great brush to use, a combo. And it helps get that kind of eyeliner effect without using eyeliner. So I really like those. Then with the Pixie Glow Mist, I'm going to set my face. I am not sure that I like this product either. I used it a couple of times and my face felt kind of oily. So let me know if you guys have that same problem. Is this kind of an oilier texture? I really like my Urban Decay setting spray the best so far. Then with Soft and Gentle by MAC, that was the closest thing that I had. Joanna used, I believe, the Amrezy highlighter, and that stuff is bomb too. It is just so beautiful. And Amrezy, she does her stuff right. And still gonna just highlight the other side of the cheeks and the forehead. And the bridge of the nose, tip of the nose. And then with a wet sponge, we are going to just make sure all of that highlight is nice and melted into the skin. And then we're going to line our lips with Half Red by MAC and Happy Lip Color by Sleek. And
okay guys, this concludes the video on Joanna Vongphoumy, and I hope that you really enjoyed my tutorial today. I also have to share with you this really cute shirt that I'm wearing right now. Hopefully you can see what it says. Rosé, the day away. And that's what I wanted to do because today was a snow day at work and it has been really icy and snowy here in Oklahoma. And so, yeah, I have been trying to figure out what I wanted to create for my following videos. And I just really enjoyed this inspired look by another Instagram slash YouTube influencer. So, you guys have a wonderful day and thank you so much for watching.